go.
Okay. My name's Billy, and I like bubble gum. Do you like bubble gum?
Keep going.
My name's Lisa, and I like glow-in-the-dark light bulbs. Do you like glow-in-the-dark light bulbs? My name's Mary, and I like suicide. Do you like suicide?
Agatha.
My name's Agatha, and I like peanut butter. Do you like peanut butter? My name's Timmy. I like dog fur. Do you like dog fur? My name's Ashley, and I like spatulas. Do you like spatulas?
Do Richard. Do a Richard guy.
My name's Richard. I like sharp objects. Do you like sharp objects?
One more.
My name's Tom, and I like cats.